The Lennox EL16XC1 outdoor unit failing to start can stem from several issues. We will cover the most likely causes, starting with electrical supply problems like tripped breakers or incorrect voltage. Next is electrical supply problems like tripped breakers or incorrect voltage. These can prevent the unit from receiving the power it needs to start. Capacitor failure is another common cause. These components provide the initial electrical boost needed to start the compressor motor. Faulty control boards or sensor issues can also cause problems. These components monitor the system and may trigger safety shutdowns if they detect anomalies. Finally, environmental factors like extreme temperatures or debris buildup on the coils can cause the unit to overheat or struggle, leading to startup failures. Before calling a technician, perform these basic DIY checks. First, ensure the unit is receiving power. Check the breaker and ensure it hasn't tripped. Then, examine the unit for any visible damage, such as damaged wiring or debris buildup. Check that the disconnect switch next to the unit is in the on position. Clear any obstructions around the unit that may be restricting airflow. These simple steps can often resolve the issue without needing professional help. If basic checks don't reveal the problem, focus on electrical components. Capacitors are a common failure point. Use a multimeter to test their capacitance. A reading significantly below the rated value indicates a need for replacement. Check the contactor relay, which switches power to the compressor. Look for burnt or corroded contacts, and test its functionality with a multimeter. Remember to disconnect power before any electrical testing to avoid shock. The Lennox EL16XC1 integrates with the iComfort app, which provides valuable diagnostic information. Check the app for any error codes or alerts related to the unit's startup sequence. The app can often pinpoint specific issues, such as low voltage or sensor malfunctions. This information can help you or a technician quickly identify the problem and implement the appropriate fix. Make sure your unit is properly connected to Wi-Fi for this to work. Some HVAC issues require a qualified technician. If you're uncomfortable working with electricity, or if the problem persists after basic checks and component testing, it's time to call a professional. Complex issues like refrigerant leaks, compressor failures, or control board malfunctions need specialized knowledge and equipment to diagnose and repair safely. The Lennox EL16XC1 includes a comprehensive 5-year parts warranty covering key components like the compressor and control board. This warranty provides peace of mind and cost protection for eligible repairs. Always verify your warranty status through the Lennox website or app before starting any repairs. Attempting DIY fixes without proper knowledge can void your warranty, potentially leading to higher costs later. When selecting a technician, ensure they are certified and have experience with Lennox equipment. The North American Technician Excellence (NATE) certification is a recognized standard that guarantees professional expertise and adherence to industry best practices. Have an open discussion with your technician about all repair options and associated costs before work begins. This transparency helps you make informed decisions and prevents unexpected expenses. Opt for cost-effective repairs by replacing individual faulty components instead of the whole unit when feasible. For example, swapping out a defective capacitor or contactor can restore functionality at a fraction of the cost of a full replacement, saving you hundreds of dollars. The HVAC industry is evolving with smart diagnostics and predictive maintenance. Future Lennox models will include advanced self-diagnostic capabilities and remote monitoring, significantly reducing the chance of startup failures. Smart diagnostics use digital interfaces to monitor your HVAC system's health in real time, allowing early detection of potential issues. Predictive maintenance anticipates problems by analyzing key system components, preventing failures through proactive care. These advancements optimize energy efficiency, as shown by significant savings in usage graphs, and extend your system's lifespan. Investing in smart HVAC technology allows proactive maintenance to keep your system running smoothly.